If you have been seeing Ma Kali in random places, hearing her name where it doesn't belong, or feeling a strange intensity building in your life, stop for a second. You didn't search for this randomly. If Ma Kali is calling you, your life must be feeling like a pressure cooker right now. Like you must be facing unexplained anger at your current situation, or coincidences that feels like warning, a sudden deep bone exhaustion sometimes, or you might be waking up a lot between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., or maybe sleep disturbance a lot. And this is all happening because I could feel that there is this energy of frustration, there is this need to change your life. You are going through this emotional purging where you are being allergic to fake people, fake conversation, fake food, fake anything. And this is not random, let me tell you, this is not random at all. 111 on the clock. This is all happening because you guys are done with fakeness in your life. You are done carrying everyone baggages while you are suffering in your own life. You are done being the nice person in the room while others pretend that they are not bothered when it comes to your sufferings, your problems. I really feel that Kalima has intervened in this situation. And that is why she's trying to reach you. Because I could sense that even if you could have, laid down like a mat, like a doormat for these people, they must have not noticed your pain. And as a mother, she can't see you suffering like that. She can't see you losing yourself to please these people who don't even give a single damn. You don't deserve these people, let me tell you. You deserve those who could respect you and who could literally, you know, walk hand in hand with you without trying to bring you down. And Kalima is here because she is trying to bring this crazy transformation in your life. That is why you must be seeing Kalima or Kalima related stuff a lot these days or in your life recently. And these are not coincidences, guys. If you believe, only then magic could happen. And I could tell that there is something in your life which is like literally very suffocating for you, like a major blockage that cannot be moved by your force. And I could tell that this is not your first time, this is not your first time to ask for help from Ma, but she is trying to teach you from this patience journey that not only that you are her strongest warrior, but there is something that you will teach others by going through your own personal journey. You're not only here just to survive. Let me clear this at this stage. You are not just here to just survive this pain, this chapter, just go through this all alone. No, you are here to do something big, not only for yourself but for others. Your journey, the things that you have seen, the marks that you have, all the scars, they are your real beauty. Let me tell you, not all the achievements, not all the material things, but the things that you have learned. And Kalima, I'm telling you, because she is the divine mother, she is here to remind you that whoever accepts your scars and your beauty and what you bring to the table, whoever accepts it with your flaws, with what makes you human, is the person for you. Not those who pinpoint your flaws and thinks that bringing you down will, just a fun story to them. And I really think that many people must have laughed on you, must have laughed on your ideas, or they must have taken lightly what you have said, what you have told to them. If you were trying to bring your ideas, or trying to bring this excitement energy kind of onto the table, they must have brought you down. They must have not listened it, or they must have ignored it completely, made fun of you. Because let me tell you, the very way that they are trying to bring you down or keeping you small shows that you have the potential. And that is what Kalima is trying to tell you. Don't let few people decide what you can do, what you cannot. If you know that this is what my potential is, this is how far I can reach, I can aim for, go for it. Even with your current resources, just go for it. But right now, at this stage, before all of this can happen, you must need to know that Kalima has been following you through this journey. Even though you must have, you must have forgot about it, or you must have been busy, stuck with all of these things going in your life, or something going in the background, you not getting enough time or anything like that. She has been following your journey, and she knows whatever happened with you. She knows, she recognizes your pain, your suffering, and your future potential too. Maybe time is not on your favor right now, but to think that it won't be ever is a mistake. The best you can do is to be ready. To be ready anytime, any possibility that can reach to you, to be open to receive it. And before any possibility, any help can reach you, any offer can reach you, you just have to train yourself to get out of the box of the limitation that others have built around you. You must have been listening lot of lies about you, that you cannot do this, you are limited to this, that your future looks uncertain, that this is true about yourself, you have this identity, like you have this people made walls around you, which are like literally trapping your potential. Your identity is not which is built by others. Let me tell you this right now. Your talents, what you could reach, is what you are going to know when Kali Ma will literally show you the mirror, like whom you are, underestimating. See it here. This is the person that can reach any potential. See in the mirror. And yes, we all know that what we can achieve and what we cannot. We all know that what is our capacity. I'm not saying you to set unrealistic dreams, but what you know that which is achievable for you, you cannot let it go. 11:11 on the clock. And this unexplained anger, this unexplained suffocation, this unexplained need to start anew is a seed, that will grow very fast, because right now that seed is trapped inside of you. That energy flow is trapped inside of you. But as soon as you will act on it, as soon as you will transform this energy into something beautiful, you will know why Ma Kali was trying to reach you. Because I am hearing that you have the medicine to your own sickness. Like all the self-limiting beliefs, all the things will burn down the minute Ma Kali will help you to discover yourself. And that will be fierce. And one thing that I really want you to try is that take a piece of paper and write one lie that you are telling yourself to stay comfortable in your life. Write it down, jot it down in capital letters, and serve it to Ma's feet. Say that this is the demon that I need to let go of. This is a bloodless sacrifice. Keep it, Ma. I don't need to keep it with myself from this moment. I'm ready to let it go. Write it down. This is that moment to, let it go. Anything that is creating any kind of blockage in your life, any limiting mindset, you don't need to keep it. Ma Kali is building your character very strong. You are here to challenge, people's point of view, their beliefs, not by your words, by your actions. Actions toward positivity and revolutionary, revolutionary vision. And that is the prospect that Ma Kali is trying to bring into your life. You're not just here to prosper. You are here to grow as a human being. And whenever you are praying to Ma Kali, imagine imagine that you are keeping your head on her lotus feet, and you are saying, Ma, just kill all the limiting beliefs, kill all the demons inside me, just kill any blockage that is keeping me away from my potential. Remove it. I serve you my blockages. I serve that on your feet. She is the fierce protector. She is the fierce feminine energy. She destroys what's coming between you and your potential, your happiness. She is the destroyer. Let me remind you. She will destroy all the blindness that is keeping you away from awakening. Your crown chakra, that will have a light bolt moment. And there is this energy of you focusing on yourself rather than thinking, oh, what will these people think, or let me just take advice from them, or let me please them, let me take their opinion. If you have, if you believe yourself, if you have that deep belief in yourself that yes, this is who I am, about your own identity. If they tell you that you are lazy, if they tell you that you can't achieve it, if they tell you that you can't do this, just stop at that moment, because they are literally trying to tell you who you are. Who you are. No one knows yourself better than you do. So don't let these words build your identity. Don't let anything negative trap you. Destroy the negativity. Be the true follower of Ma Kali and destroy the negativity. First, destroy anything that is, building your false identity. Not to others, but to yourself. You don't care about others. What other people are telling about you, they are gossips, that's not your business. Let them be who they are. That their business. That has nothing to do about you. What you think about yourself is a direct connection to yourself and what you will bring to the table. What will your future hold? And that is what Ma Kali is trying to magnify, to let you see. Because she don't want you to underestimate yourself. Not when it comes to looks, not when it comes to your goals, not when it comes to anything that you feel that you are not worthy of. Every positive things, every good things that life can offer, you deserve it too. And you should have that mentality. And yes, that is why she's trying to contact you. 1919. That is why she's trying to appear everywhere, to show up in the ways that you didn't thought of. Because a mother is a mother. She is motherly. She is. I am tearing up right now, but she is motherly and she loves her children very much. She can go to any point to save her children, to just, rescue her children if her children really calls for her. So yeah, she might be reaching out to you. She might be, trying to, contact you in a way that will create a moment of awakening. She will not send you WhatsApp message. She will not send you letter or email. Her way is her way of communication is awakening, removing blockage, letting you access to the information, opening your chakras, and yeah, widening your ability to think. That is her way to communicate. Sometimes coincidences happen, but that is something for other day. But right now she will broaden your ability to think, the way you see yourself. Mostly people will notice this part, but they completely miss what happens next after.